The AmScope 7X-45X Stereo Microscope delivers a smooth zoom range that makes it easy to move from broad overviews to fine detail without refocusing hassles. Its super wide-field optics provide bright edge-to-edge clarity, so tiny surface features on insects, circuit boards, or plant samples stand out cleanly. The long working distance and tall 14-inch pillar stand give you plenty of room to manipulate tools or larger specimens directly under the lenses. A 64-count ring of light-emitting diodes surrounds the objective area, supplying cool, even illumination that is gentle on live or temperature-sensitive samples. The binocular head swivels fully and sits at a comfortable angle, which, together with the rubber eyeguards, makes long observation sessions much less fatiguing. Built with a solid metal stand and lab-grade optical components, this microscope feels robust enough for serious professional use while still being approachable for students and hobbyists.